What's good? Welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to film a makeup video and I hope you guys like this look. Stay tuned to the end of this video so you can see the extra special giveaway that I'm doing for the holidays. If you want to know how I got this look, keep on watching. Maybe it's Maybelline, probably not. Love ya. Okay, so the first color I'm going to be using on my lid is called Hypnotic, and I'm putting that on the edge of my eye and then the crease of my eye. So I learned this technique from this girl, Jessica Rose underscore makeup on Instagram, and I'm in love because it was the way I can get to do the actual cut crease because my eye shape is kind of wonky. So the next color I used was In Command, and I'm taking that on the outside of the line I just drew with the darker color purple. And don't mind my hair, ichthyosis is but I live with it. So the next color I'm taking is Warning Label, and I'm putting that on the outside of the last color I did, so it kind of gives me a cool gradient effect when I blend it out. As you can see, I'm feeling myself about this. I'm still using Warning Label because I'm trying to blend it out further. And I'm just going to keep blending it out until I like it. And I'm cleaning it up with the OG. That's another shade in the palette. So it kind of gives it an effect where it's blending a little bit more smoothly. Now I'm taking a concealer, an eye primer to my eye so I can do the cut crease properly with the color shade I want. I'm touching up my hip line with Hypnotic again from the Morphe 305 palette. Next thing I'm taking is Combust, is a shimmer shade, and I'm putting it right in the inner corner of my eye. And now I'm putting Memorize in the middle of my lid, and then I'm going to take Out of Control and put it on the edge of that, and then I'm going to blend it all together. I'm going to take a glitter liner from NYX, it's gold, I don't know the actual name, and just outline the top of my eye right below the cut crease so it gives it a cool definition. Now I'm taking the shade Frenzy, putting it in my inner corner so it gives a little pop to the color. Now I'm going back in with Hypnotic and putting it underneath my eye and really blending it out there. And I'm going to take In Command and then put it right below it, like how I did my eye, the top lid of my eye. But then I took Warning Label and did it below that. I'm touching up the other side because I wanted more of a color, more pigment payoff. And then I took Ball of Fire and put it on the top of my lid, right at the edge below my eyebrow. Now I'm putting my mascara on, and I love this one right now. It's called Lights Camera Lashes, I think, by Tarte. I'm using Eye Envy lashes. Lashes like these are so hard to come by for such a good price point. I paid at least $2 for these. They look nice. So I put the glue on them and I'm letting them dry for a bit. And now I'm doing my eyebrow with the e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. And I love this eyebrow pencil to the point where every time I go to CVS, I try to buy at least 5 of them because I run out fast. I'm taking the Bad Girl Bang mini mascara and I put it on my eyebrow to kind of define my brows. Now I'm taking concealer to outline my eyebrow just to make it a little sharper, a little cleaner, and really gonna blend that up there. And then I kind of touched it up with my finger. And I'm going back in a little bit more to make sure my eyebrows are the way I like it. And now my lash is finally dry and I'm putting them on. Or not, I'm putting, I forgot a step, I'm putting on my eyeliner, darkening it out. I put a line first so I know where to put the gel liner at times. So now I have the gel liner and I'm putting it right on the edge. I'm not doing a wing this time, which is different for me. Okay, you guys made it to the end of the video, so now I'm going to tell you what the giveaway is. I have to stand back a little bit. So the giveaway is what the makeup palette that I did my eyeshadow with, which was the 3503 palette, which is a beautiful palette to use for the holidays. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I'm just doing a giveaway because giving is better than receiving. So I'm giving away 2 absolutely new 3503 palettes. And I hope this makes somebody's holiday a little bit specialer. And if you don't even like makeup and you're a guy, enter to win for your girlfriend. So the way to win one of these bad boys, because I'm giving away 2, so that means there'll be 2 giveaway winners, is to like this video, comment, let's see, your favorite holiday palette or favorite MUA, and then all you gotta do is follow me on Instagram, and that's the way to win. So, woo! I'm gonna announce the winners though on Christmas, so you'll get your package after Christmas if you're the winner, and I'll announce the winner on my Instagram, so that's why you have to follow the Instagram to know who's gonna win. All right, so see you later.